How to use chisel hand tools. Subscribe for more videos. Hard materials like wood, stone or metal are carved using a chisel, which is a tool with a suitably shaped cutting blade on its one end and a handle made of wood or plastic on the other end. The handle and blade of the chisel is made of metal or of wood. Woodworking requires different types and sizes of chisels. A sharp wood chisel can cut mortises, chop out corners and scrape off glue. A gouge is a type of chisel used for woodworking, wood turning and sculpture, to carve small piece from the material. They produce concave surfaces. Stone chisels are used to cut or carve stone, bricks or concrete slabs. Masonry chisels are heavy and have dull head, which is used as wedge to break cement which has hardened. Paring of wood. Light and fine woodwork is done using a chisel that is beveled at an angle of 15 degrees. Use the knife-like edge to slice off small amounts of wood. The wood should lie flat on a surface when you push the paring chisel. If the wood rests firmly on the workbench, the control you have when pushing the chisel with force will be greater. The blade has to be positioned at a slight angle, so that you do not take off large amount of wood. Proper method is to place one hand on the blade of the chisel and press it against the surface of the wood as the hand controls the forward movement of the chisel. Move the chisel with the other hand, by holding the handle. The depth of the cut is determined by raising or lowering and controlling the handle. Shaping a mortise. The cutting edge is square and straight in this firm or chisel. The angle of the blade should be at 20 degrees. You need to keep the flat side flush against the wood. Drive the chisel using a mallet into the wood. The chisel should be given a sliding or shearing motion when you cut across the end of the grain of wood. The chisel handle is raised or lowered to control the depth of the cut. Carving or sculpting. The long handles and curved points of the gouges help to sculpt. The gouges are available in different widths and 8 standards of degrees to the curves. Gouges are used to carve into wood or remove wood around a design to reveal the design in relief. Stone and masonry chisels. Set the masonry chisel perpendicular to the mark. Strike the handle with a hammer, mallet or sledgehammer. Safety tips. Use the correct chisel for the job. Wear safety goggles. Check to confirm there are no sharp edges in the handle and the blade is firmly attached. Chip or cut away from yourself. Sharpen cutting edges often. The choice of a right chisel and mastering the art of using the chisel yields successful results. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.